Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. This is Brian McGrath with another MyBlindCo Minute. So we've been getting a lot of requests for ages about going into landscape mode with the app on the iPad for folks who want to use their Bluetooth keyboards or they have a case that they just love. So here you see MyBlindCo app on the quote screen in its typical format, and then we're going to go just like this, and lo and behold, what do you got? You've got your landscape version that you can use your favorite Bluetooth keyboard, your favorite case, and there is no issue. It takes about 5 seconds to tee this up so you could jump right into this. And I'm going to show you right now how to do that. So you just go back here, you go into settings. Number 4 down from general is a thing called home screen multitasking. You go into that, you scroll all the way down to stage manager, you turn stage manager on, and then you're all set. And then you just get out of there and go back into MyBlindCo as you're used to seeing it, and it will rotate for you just like that. I want to thank the great people at Apple for that little added bonus. They saved us a lot of headache and heartache to get that done. And now you guys, as always, from Brian at MyBlindCo, happy selling.